Brian, give us a little campaign update.
Yeah, it's been a busy week. You know, we're actually now almost 60 days out from Election Day, November 8th, and it's been quite an experience the last 6-7 months, and I've taken over 250 meetings, and people ask all the time, why? I mean, you take 5-6 meetings a day, and who are you meeting with and why? And we meet with a lot of individuals, a lot of organizations, and really what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to get a pulse of what's happening in our community. I'm keenly aware that I'm not an expert in all these spaces, and I want to get in the room with experts, people that are seeing things happening in our community. I want to understand, I want to listen, I want to learn. And when it's interesting, when I'm in these meetings, I always ask, or try to get to asking 3 really important questions. The first one I want to ask is, what are you seeing in this specific space, or on a specific issue? What are you seeing? And then the second question I like to ask is, what are the bottlenecks? Explain to me what bottlenecks occur. Where is there lag? What are the needs? I want to understand. And then thirdly, and this is my favorite question, is I'll ask people or organizations, if you could wave the magic wand, if you had a wand, if you could wave it for the perfect situation and the perfect scenario that gives you the resources and enables you to do what you do, what would that look like? And I love it. I had a meeting this week with Humankind Ministries, who does a lot of services in our community, wonderful services in this community for people that are dealing with homelessness, poverty, and they actually specifically told me, man, if we could wave a magic wand, this is what it would look like. And that's so helpful to understand. And this is why this is important, and those 3 questions are important, because I believe in elected leadership. You're going to serve a variety of roles for this community. Sometimes you're a practitioner. If some of these things involve direct county services, then you're a practitioner. Then you are making sure that the budget can adequately resource the need for the community. Other times, you're just like conduit. In your leadership role, you are just putting the pieces together and you're connecting the dots in order to meet the need. And then other times, you're just a champion. You're an advocate. For me, this is something specifically with the foster care system and advocating for foster care reform. That's not a direct county functionality, but it's something that's near and dear to my heart, and I can use my voice and my influence to help advocate for change. So, but it's been wonderful, and this is what I've been learning the last 6, 7, 8 months now since I started this campaign, and all these things and all the skills that I'm learning and all the things that I'm bringing into this campaign. I'm hoping that it will shape me and mold me and prepare me for a term as a county commissioner.